Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 8 book. Today I will start the next chapter. The name of the chapter is Caught in a Blizzard 3, Chapter 5. That night, the next day, and the night were spent resting at the Fazels 2. So they were spent the night at Fazels 2. Early on the following morning, the party set off again. So again they left that place. After a while, the track dipped sharply downhill for some distance till we came to the first trees. So the track was dipping. I had seen since leaving Buskop. So they were leaving Buskop, a forest of snow-laden pines through which we drove sometime. So this was a forest of snow. It was very still in the woods. We were sheltered from the snow. So they have taken shelter there, and the reindeer made good progress. So reindeer was improving. There was no sound except the tinkle of their bells and the curious clicking noise. So the bell was ringing, and the noise which was caused by their hoofs when raised from the ground, the inner part striking against each other. So inner part was striking against each other. My reindeer was tired now to the back of the pulka driven by Pierre's friend. So his reindeer was now tied to the pulka, and it was driven by Pierre's friend. Soon after entering the forest, the young lap, evidently cheered by the thought that they were nearing our journey's end, so their journey was going to finish, started to joke. This strange and ancient form of song is heard only among the laps. So this is a song which is heard by the laps. The words are usually composed on the spur of the movement and express the feeling of the singer. So what they are using for this, so that the singer can express their feeling or tell of what he sees. So he is from the song, he is expressing what he is seeing everywhere. A lap will often sing in praise of his reindeer and the dogs, or of the warmth of the sun. So lap is singing for the reindeer, dogs, or for the sun. At other times he will compose a song about his friends. Other time he is making songs for his friend. I was told an amusing story of a lap who had composed what sounded like a very fine joke in honor of the governor of his district. So he has heard a story that a lap has made one song for the governor of his district. When the words were tuned into Norwegian, they proved to be all about the gentleman Baldhead. So they were tuning the song also. Each lap has his own special joke by which his friend may recognize him. So from this song they are able to identify their friend. When he calls out to them from afar, for sounds travel easily over the vast silent snowfields. So from far away when they are calling, they can hear the sound, as the sound travel very easily. Even the area was fully covered with snow. As I listened to the quaint sing-song notes of the lap, so he was listening the notes of the song, I wondered. So he was wondering. What he was wondering? Now we will see. I wondering what he was singing about. Means what he want to say from the song. Perhaps it was about his reindeer and their prowess. It may have meant something like this. So he's taking the meaning of the song. Woy, 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 nana, 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 the finest reindeer in the land, running like a flock of birds. So he's saying that he is having the finest reindeer, and it is a flock. They are running like a flock of birds. Voy, 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 nana, 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 nana. Big, high-ledged when they start to run. So they are having big, high-ledged when they are running. Voy, 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 nana, nana, nana. They spring till you can see nothing but smoke. So you can see but the smoke. Then they spring like the boiling falls. They are springing like the boiling falls. Voy, 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 nana, nana, nana. So these are the lyrics of the song. It was long after dark when about 7:30 we drew up at my destination. So they have reached the destination at 7:30 and it was dark. Having traveled about 112 English miles. So they have traveled 112 miles since leaving Bushcombe. My fur cloak, hood and gloves were stiff with frozen snow, but I had kept quite warm owing to the lack of wind. So he has kept himself warm, okay, except for feeling very tired. So he was feeling very tired. I was none the worse for my journey. The carriage jock, pages 2, was a very comfortable one. There was a good stove. So there was a stove also. The place was clean and warm, and it was very clean, neat and clean and warm also. And after an excellent supper, I sank between the sheets of my little bed. So bed was also there. I soon lost in dreams. So he went to the dream also, in which I found myself riding triumphantly through. So he is riding through the air on a beautiful white reindeer. So he was in his dream, he was riding on a reindeer, white reindeer on air, with an escort of laps ringing, bells and joiking. So bells was also ringing. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. You will write the question answer of this chapter. You will write chapter 5, Caught in a Blizzard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework. That's all.